Hello and welcome. This lecture is based on some important geometrical concepts. First of all, a line contains infinitely many points. A line is made up of points. Here we can see that there are infinite points on a line, as shown here. We can mark any number of points in between. So a line contains infinitely many points. Number 2, through a given point, there pass infinitely many lines. If there is just one point, there can be infinitely many lines can pass out of this point. Here, we can see that through this point O, L, M, N, P, so many lines can pass and there can be infinite lines. But third point is, there is one and only one line passing through two given points. Whenever we are given 2 points, then through these 2 points only one line can pass. Or we can say that a unique line passes through these given points. Or we can say that through 2 given points only one line can pass. So that means through one point infinitely many lines can pass, but through 2 points only one line can pass.